Welcome to our journey into the origins of humanity. Today we explore a fascinating question. Why did human evolution begin in Africa? This story takes us back millions of years to a continent rich in diversity and history. Africa is often called the cradle of humankind, but what made it so special? In this video we'll uncover the unique environmental, biological, and geological factors that set Africa apart as the birthplace of our species. Let's begin by understanding the landscape and climate that shaped early human life. Millions of years ago, Africa's landscape was a patchwork of forests, grasslands, and deserts. This variety created a dynamic environment where early humans had to adapt to survive. The shifting climate and diverse habitats encouraged the development of new skills and behaviors. From dense jungles to open savannas, Africa's geography provided endless opportunities for adaptation. These ever-changing conditions played a crucial role in shaping the evolutionary path of our ancestors. One of Africa's most significant features is the Great Rift Valley. Stretching thousands of kilometers, this geological wonder is home to some of the world's oldest hominid fossils. The Rift Valley's unique terrain with its lakes, mountains, and volcanic activity created isolated pockets where different groups of early humans could evolve separately. This isolation led to a burst of evolutionary experimentation, giving rise to a variety of hominid species. Africa's climate has always been unpredictable. Over millions of years, the continent experienced dramatic shifts between wet and dry periods. These changes forced early humans to adapt quickly, developing new survival strategies. The need to find food, water, and shelter in a constantly changing environment drove the evolution of intelligence, cooperation, and tool use. This relentless pressure to adapt was a key factor in human evolution. Africa is home to an incredible diversity of plants and animals. This rich ecosystem provided early humans with a wide range of food sources and challenges. Competing with other predators, learning to hunt, and gathering edible plants required creativity and adaptability. The constant interaction with diverse species helped shape the physical and mental abilities of our ancestors, pushing them to become more resourceful and resilient. Access to water was a major driver of early human settlement and movement. Rivers, lakes, and seasonal streams dotted the African landscape, attracting both animals and humans. These water sources became hubs of activity, encouraging social interaction and cooperation. The need to manage and share water resources may have played a role in the development of complex social behaviors and early communities. Africa's unique combination of geography, climate, and biodiversity made it an evolutionary hotspot. The continent's ever-changing environment created countless opportunities for natural selection to work its magic. Over time, this led to the emergence of new species, including our own. The constant challenges of survival in Africa's varied landscapes pushed early humans to develop the traits that define us today. Some of the earliest known hominids, such as Australopithecus, were discovered in Africa. These ancient relatives walked upright and showed signs of increased brain size. Their fossils found in places like Ethiopia and Tanzania provide crucial evidence of our evolutionary journey. Studying these early hominids helps us understand the gradual changes that led to modern humans. Early humans in Africa were among the first to create and use tools. Simple stone implements allowed them to hunt, gather, and process food more efficiently. The development of tools marks a major milestone in human evolution, reflecting increased intelligence and problem-solving abilities. These innovations gave our ancestors a survival advantage in a challenging environment. Living in groups offered early humans protection and support. Social bonds became increasingly important for survival. Cooperation in hunting, sharing resources, and caring for young helped strengthen these bonds. Over time, complex social structures and communication skills evolved, laying the foundation for modern human societies. Development of language was a game-changer for early humans. Being able to communicate complex ideas and emotions helped groups coordinate and solve problems together. Africa's diverse environments may have encouraged the evolution of language, as early humans needed to share information about food, dangers, and opportunities. Modern genetic studies support the idea that humans originated in Africa. By comparing DNA from people around the world, scientists have traced our ancestry back to African populations. This genetic evidence confirms that Africa is the starting point of the human family tree, with all modern humans sharing common ancestors from this continent. Out of Africa theory explains how modern humans spread from Africa to the rest of the world. According to this widely accepted idea, Homo sapiens evolved in Africa before migrating to other continents. This migration began around 60,000 years ago, leading to the global diversity we see today. Africa is a treasure trove of ancient fossils. Sites like Olduvai Gorge and the Afar Triangle have yielded some of the most important discoveries in human evolution. These fossils provide direct evidence of our ancestors' physical traits, behaviors, and environments, helping scientists piece together the story of our origins. Early humans in Africa faced constant environmental changes. From shifting rainfall patterns to volcanic eruptions, these challenges demanded flexibility and innovation. The ability to adapt to new conditions was essential for survival and drove the evolution of traits like intelligence, creativity, and resilience. Mastering fire was a revolutionary step for early humans. Fire provided warmth, protection, and a way to cook food, making it easier to digest and safer to eat. The use of fire also encouraged social gatherings and may have played a role in the development of language and culture. One of the hallmarks of human evolution is the dramatic increase in brain size. This expansion allowed for more complex thinking, problem-solving, and social interaction. Africa's challenging environments likely played a role in driving this development, as early humans needed to outsmart predators and adapt to new situations. Walking on two legs or bipedalism is a defining feature of humans. This adaptation freed up the hands for tool use and carrying objects. The open savannas of Africa may have encouraged this shift, as moving efficiently across grasslands became increasingly important for survival. The varied African landscape offered a wide range of foods, from fruits and nuts to meat and roots. This diverse diet supported brain growth and physical development. The ability to exploit different food sources was a key factor in the success of early humans. Before spreading to other continents, early humans migrated extensively within Africa. These movements exposed them to new environments and challenges, further driving adaptation and innovation. The story of human evolution is, in many ways, a story of migration and change. Africa is not only the birthplace of our species but also of culture. Early humans created art, jewelry, and symbolic objects, leaving behind evidence of complex thought and creativity. These cultural expressions are a testament to the rich inner lives of our ancestors. Cooperation was essential for survival in Africa's challenging environments. Working together to hunt, gather, and protect each other strengthened social bonds and improved chances of success. This spirit of teamwork laid the groundwork for the complex societies we see today. The need to solve problems and adapt to new situations encouraged learning and innovation. Early humans in Africa developed new tools, techniques, and strategies to survive. This culture of innovation became a driving force in human evolution, setting us apart from other species. Africa's environment was full of challenges, from predators to droughts. These hardships demanded resilience and adaptability. Overcoming obstacles became a way of life for early humans, shaping their bodies, minds, and societies. Homo sapiens, our own species, first appeared in Africa around 300,000 years ago. These early humans showed advanced behaviors such as creating art and using complex tools. Their ability to adapt and innovate set them on a path to become the dominant species on Earth. Eventually, some groups of Homo sapiens began to leave Africa, spreading across the globe. This migration marked the beginning of a new chapter in human history. The skills and traits developed in Africa helped our ancestors thrive in new and unfamiliar lands. The legacy of human evolution in Africa is all around us. Our bodies, minds, and cultures bear the marks of our African origins. Understanding this legacy helps us appreciate the incredible journey that brought us to where we are today. Scientists continue to study Africa's fossils, genetics, and environments to learn more about our origins. New discoveries are made every year, shedding light on the mysteries of human evolution. This ongoing research deepens our understanding of what it means to be human. Africa remains a vital part of the human story. Its landscapes, peoples, and cultures continue to inspire and inform our understanding of the past. By studying Africa, we gain insight into the forces that shaped our species and the challenges we overcame. In summary, human evolution began in Africa because of its unique combination of geography, climate, and biodiversity. The continent's challenges and opportunities fostered the development of intelligence, cooperation, and adaptability. Africa's story is our story, a testament to the power of evolution and the resilience of the human spirit.